We're going to show you how to make actionable pages. There's a lot more you can do, but we're going to show you just enough to get you started. Then from there, use your creativity to take it to the next step. So I'm inside my module here. And I'm going to go to the far right, click the plus symbol, choose Add Page, Create Page, and I'm going to name it. So think of this though as you want to be very descriptive in your naming, which I'm probably not doing right here, but being very descriptive. So a student, when they pull it up, or a substitute teacher, parent, whoever, when they see it, they know exactly what it's going to be detailing. And from here, I can automatically indent it. So again, it gives it kind of visual cues as I'm looking at it. I'm going to click Add Item, and we're going to see it right here. I can click and drag it and put it between my beginning page and my ending page. It has a little circle, so remember it's not going to be seen until I publish it. I'm going to click to open. Upper right, I'm going to click Edit, and this is where I can start to build and construct. Sometimes in my early days, I would construct or write this up on a piece of paper or a Post-it note so I knew what I was trying to build. I have an image I am going to pull over. So I can paste it directly in, copied and pasted. On the far right, I'm going to click and drag down. Click the image I just imported. I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. Also, if I click, I can see image options. And the far right-hand side, we notice this. It says image PNG. We have to change that to be descriptive of what this is. Screenshot. So now that we've named it, we click Done. Click. Hit enter once or twice and you can see the flashing cursor. If you look up here, we have some tools. So I'm going to create a heading. How to create. So I've just created a title. I probably should go back and capitalize some of this, but I'm going to click to highlight everything. I'm going to go up to paragraph and I'm going to choose like heading number 4. Oh, that's a little small. Heading number 3, where I could highlight and bold and maybe increase the text size, but what we're trying to do is create accessible ADA compliant pages by using headers and not just increasing the font size, because a screen reader does not know the difference, will not know the difference that this is a heading unless I make it a heading. If I make it large and bold, it's not going to be able to tell. In this link, you will find. So I'm going to need to add a link to the Quality Matters homepage, but I need to make sure it's descriptive so when the screen reader reads it, the person can make a decision to click it or not. So if I have over the Quality Matters webpage, I can click the link, go to this and highlight, go up to the toolbar, choose External Link, and paste it in and click Done. So more text, etc. So what we've done is just learned very quickly how to add an image and then add the alt text, creating headers, links. Up here, you can experiment by embedding a YouTube video or adding links, changing the font color, etc. When I'm done here, I'm going to click Save and Publish. As you notice, there's a lot of options over here, and we can get into those later, but our goal is how do we get the Canvas course up and running in the shortest amount of time possible.